Hello, Namaste, Annyeonghaseyo, Hola, Privyet. Today I plan to create a unique family tree using a different approach. Let me explain the process to you. Please note that my explanation won't be synchronized with the drawing process, but don't worry, the tutorial is easy to follow. In the past, I have seen many family tree drawings resembling either a large sprawling tree or just a few scattered leaves. This time I decided to go for something different and use a weeping willow tree as the inspiration. If you have a nuclear family, a small willow tree will suffice. However, for a joint family, it's better to draw a tree with more width and height. To begin, I applied a base layer of forest green oil pastel on the top part of the willow tree. For blending the colors, I used an old crepe cloth which works much better than cotton cloth, or you can use tissue paper for this purpose. Then I added some black shades to create darker areas. Next, I repeated the process with the forest green oil pastel for the second and third layers and added black color for additional depth. Blending was done again to create a smooth transition between the colors. For labeling family members, I used plain sticker paper. If you don't have stickers, regular paper and glue will do the job. To draw the branches and trunk of the tree, I opted for a black color pencil as it provided better control than oil pastels. The crucial step is making the tree look realistic, especially if this is for a school project. If you are underage, feel free to proceed or seek the assistance of your elders for added creativity. To achieve a lifelike appearance, I employed the stippling technique. This involves drawing using dots. I started from the bottom part, creating hanging leaves and filling the body area with dots. The side part was also filled with leaves using the same dotting method. This technique enhances the tree's realism significantly. Finally, before dividing the body parts of the tree, I used white and various light shades of green to create individual leaves as shown in the video. Sometimes simply pressing the oil pastel over the first layer won't provide the desired darker shade for light colors. In this case, an elder's guidance might be required, as a clay modeling tool can be used to scrape out the oil pastel and give a leaf-like effect to the tree. You can repeat this process for the top part of the tree as well. Feel free to use your preferred colors to add a personal touch to the family tree drawing. I hope this tutorial will be helpful to you. If you will try this drawing, then you can upload the picture on Instagram and tag me at Gitanjali_K7. I would love to see your work. Thanks for watching the video.